Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fill out a PDF form on your computer using Firefox. So I'm going to go ahead and open a PDF that I have saved on my computer. It's just a blank piece of lined paper, but it gives you an idea of how to fill out a form that is a PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and open the folder. I'm going to double click on it. So as you can see, it's called Lined Paper PDF. So I'm going to right click on that and then go to Open With and Firefox. So I'm going to go ahead and set this piece of paper to full screen. To do that, I'm going to click on the drop down arrow beside automatic zoom and select page fit. Now I'm going to go ahead and zoom in by clicking on the plus icon. Let's zoom this to 150. Now you have a few different options for filling this out. You can comment, add a signature, highlight, add text, or draw. I'm going to go ahead and add text. So I'm going to click on text, click anywhere on the PDF, and start typing. Click out of the text box, and then you can drag it wherever you want it to go. Click out of the text box again, and it opens another text box. Click out of the text box, and again, drag it wherever you want it to go. Alright, so I've got my name and the date, which is typically something that you would fill out on a PDF form. If you want to add a phone number, go ahead and type the number. I'm just going to put a bunch of zeros. Click out of the text box again, and drag it where you want it to go. Now, if you want to add a signature, go to Add Signature, and then Add New Signature. That opens this window. In this window, you have three different options. You can type, draw, or add an image. This is what it looks like if you type. If you want to start over again, click Clear Signature. And you can draw it out as well. Now, I'm not very good at this, but I'll try to give you guys an example. I'm going to clear signature. To add the signature, click Add. Drag the corner of the text box to make it the size that you want it. Grab it and drag it to where you need it. And then click out of the text box. Now to save it, you're going to click on the Save icon, which looks like a folder with an arrow pointing down. You can go ahead and change the file name if you want to. I'm just going to call it Test Form, and then click Save. I'm going to go ahead and close Firefox, and here it is in the folder. I'm going to go ahead and right-click on it and select Open. Now, as you can see, if I select Open, it's actually going to open in a different web browser other than Firefox. If you want it to specifically open in Firefox, you're going to go with Open With and then Firefox. And if you want it to open in whatever program you have set, just simply click Open. So here it is in Microsoft Edge. So that is how you fill out a PDF form on your computer using Firefox. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.